Free Wi-Fi is not safe. Now, it might look convenient, but connecting to free Wi-Fi actually puts your personal information at serious risk. Hello, everyone. My name is Tosin. Welcome to another episode of our digital literacy podcast series. And today, we're going to discuss how safe is free Wi-Fi. Now, when you connect to a public unsecured network, it's like opening your front doors and hoping that nobody comes in and steals your property. No, you are giving opportunities to online cyber criminals to steal your identity, to install harmful software on your device, and even steal your data. Now, I'm going to give you some reasons why it's not safe to connect to free public networks. Number one, there's data interception. Now, hackers can steal data that you are sending or receiving when you connect to a public unsecured network. They can get your emails, they can get your passwords, and even your financial information. You don't want to miss that. Also, there is fake Wi-Fi networks. Now, hackers can set up fake Wi-Fi networks that look legitimate. And once you connect to it, they have access to your personal information and they can even install harmful softwares on your device. There is also malware spread. Now, free Wi-Fi networks, they are often prime target for hackers to spread viruses, and this gives them access to your files and your personal information. So to protect yourself when you are tempted to use free Wi-Fi, you should keep these tips in mind. Number one, avoid accessing sensitive information. Don't log into your bank details or make online purchases when you are using free Wi-Fi. Number two, I would suggest using a VPN. That's a virtual private network. Now, using this encrypts your connection and makes it harder for hackers to access your data and your personal files. Number three, disable automatic connection. Now, you can turn off the automatic Wi-Fi connection on your device so that you can choose which networks to join. And lastly, stick to HTTPS websites. Now, ensure that the website that you log into are secure by checking for HTTPS in the URL. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you've learned a thing or two about the dangers of connecting to free Wi-Fi networks. Watch out and take care.